Change your thoughts and you change your world. In the next 1 minute, let's unravel this profound truth. Our thoughts are like seeds in a garden. What we sow, we grow. The mind is a powerful tool, and when we harness its power, we can reshape our reality. Every thought we entertain is like a brushstroke on the canvas of our lives. Negative thoughts can paint a bleak picture, but positive, empowering thoughts can create a masterpiece of joy and fulfillment. It's not just about being optimistic, it's about being purposeful with our thoughts. The beauty of this concept lies in its simplicity and its power. By shifting our focus from what we can't do to what we can, from what we fear to what we aspire, we open new doors of possibilities. This shift in perspective is like turning on a light in a previously dark room. As we wrap up this minute of insight, remember this: your world changes the moment your thoughts do. If you're ready to transform your life by transforming your thoughts, join me for more empowering journeys.